Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a personal hotspot on MacBook Air M4. First, tap the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and then go to System Settings. In System Settings, you have to select General section and then scroll down to Sharing. Here find Internet Sharing and switch the toggle to the right to enable it, then click Configure. And now, in order to share the Wi-Fi connection, you're gonna have to be connected to any other network other than Wi-Fi, because if you're using Wi-Fi, you'll be able to share your internet connection using any of these 4 connections. And to use one of these connections for sharing, you just have to switch the toggle to the right next to it. Now if you want to share your connection using Wi-Fi, you have to use either a different connection type and then switch the toggle to the right next to Wi-Fi. Then you have to provide the network name, provide the channel for your network, and then also the security protocol. Also, you have to provide your password for the network here. And once you're done, click OK and the portable hotspot will be created. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.